Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you a simple free tool by Microsoft on your PC that can help you to make screenshots. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to use Snipping Tool, the tool that you can screenshot your screen for free and without download any other app, or any free app even, you just need to search right here on the toolbar. So as you can see, I write Snipping Tool, and this is the tool that I need. As it appears, now you see a picture that I've screenshot, but you can also make a video out of it, not just a shot. So let's take a video only for this specific place, start to record, and then I can save the video in my PC and even activate the microphone if I want to. So also I can disable or enable the computer PC sounds, but I can also delete it right here, as you can see. Now if I choose to make a screenshot, I can also change the shot itself, like a full screen, window, rectangle, or a freedom like this. If I just want to paint, let's say for an example, a picture, screenshot right here, this is how it will save it. I can also make a delay like 3, 5 or 10 seconds, and when I choose those, let's say for an example, make any changes on the screen itself, and then I can of course make the screenshot only after the changes. Now you can also draw on the image itself, make arrows and whatever you want, and of course delete them. If you want to go back or forward in your actions, you can also do that as well, and edit it with Paint, the app in PC, right, as you can see right here. Of course you can do that as well, and if you save it in your computer, you will see the changes that you have made on the image, the screenshot itself. So let's see how it looks like, and this is it. This is how you can make any screenshot you want for free without using any app or downloading any software to your PC in Microsoft. As you saw, it's very easy using Snipping Tool in order to make screenshots. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below and I will comment, and on the first comment I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.